Hello and welcome everyone to Boosting English with Tanu. Let's begin Lesson 3 at School. Diana, hi, good morning. Why are you late today? Mary, I missed the bus. Train. Oh, I got overcarried in the bus. Diana, the bell is ringing. We should go. Mary, hurry up. Teacher, good morning everyone. Students, good morning teacher. Ben, sorry for being late. May I come in, madam? Teacher, come in. Teacher, please take your seats. Be quiet. Let's take the roll. Diana, are you present? Diana, yes, madam. Teacher, why didn't you come last week? Diana, I was for the flu. Teacher, are you feeling okay? Diana, okay, madam. Teacher, I am glad that you are recovered. Need to bring a letter of excuse? Diana, yes, madam. Here it is. Teacher, stop talking. We can start the lesson now. Students, okay, madam. Teacher, please open the book and turn to page 30. Let's read the text. Then stand up and read aloud the lesson. Ben reads aloud. Teacher, Mary, pay attention. Ben, may I ask you a question, madam? Teacher, you may. Then, how do I spell the word honor? Teacher, H-O-N-O-U-R. Teacher, Nick, please come to the blackboard. Nick comes. Teacher, write down the adjective of the word honor. Nick writes the word honorable. Teacher, now close your books and practice in class. Don't say out loud. Teacher, it's break time now. Nick, shall we go to the cafe? I'm dead hungry. So, yes, it's a good idea. Nick, what would you like to have? So, I would prefer something to eat and a soft drink. Diana, is it fine? I would take your English book for the weekend. I will surely bring it on Monday. I have to cover the notes as I was absent last week. Mary, definitely. You can have it. I hope you can cope up with it. Bob, have you done the homework? Have you solved the sums? Have you written the essay? Nick, yes, I have done it. I entirely, I completely forgot about it. The bell is ringing. Next is science session. Teacher, today we are going to learn about living and non-living things. Students, are you living or non-living? Mary, living. Teacher, what about your pets? Joe, living, madam. Teacher, why do you think so? Joe, they eat and drink. Teacher, yes, of course. They need food, water, air, and shelter to survive. Further, they move, grow, develop, use energy, and respond and adapt to the environment. Teacher, I think you can identify living and non-living things clearly. Are you? Students, yes, madam. Teacher, open the nose and fight and classify living and non-living things. The bell is ringing. Diana, what is the homework for today? Teacher, there is no homework for today. Teacher, that's all for today. Take all your stuff without forgetting. Have a nice day. This lesson was presented by Boosting English with Anu. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.